and welcome to this week's episode of Luxury Living NYC, where we are going to show you one of, or maybe our favorite new listing. It is a fabulous penthouse that is located at 15 West 17th Street. And you're going to want to stay tuned to the end because this rooftop is unbelievable. Anyways, before we get into it, be sure to like, subscribe, share this with a friend. It is in Flatiron, and this is a great neighborhood. It was actually originally a lot of manufacturing lofts, lighting stores. We're close to the fashion district. This is also where a lot of people would come shopping. A lot of the first floors used to be carriage houses for their carriages while they were off shopping on the main streets. It's a fantastic area. It's a place where you're not paying Tribeca prices for a Tribeca-like loft. So I highly recommend checking this out if you want that downtown vibe. And also be sure to check out our neighborhood questions about, or neighborhood interviews about Flatiron, because they talk about that there as well. You don't just need it from my mouth. Until then, let's go check out this loft. We are on the top floor, nobody above us except for that beautiful roof, which we will get to. We have this gorgeous open living area. A lot of people have also put dining in. Something special about this floor is that you have side windows. So we are facing south, there's great light in here, but you also have east facing windows throughout the unit and north facing windows. We'll get to those, not as open because it's a loft, right? That's what we get in the city. But here's great, you're facing south. You have a fireplace that does work. It's gas, you don't have to deal with the wood. But what I love is you get these beautiful original architectural details up here because you're at the top of the building. It's just really pretty. You know, you don't always get to see that if you're not at the top. Let's check out this kitchen. Okay, so now, not only is this an amazing, massive kitchen, but this is my favorite part of this apartment. And I'm gonna say this to penthouse owners everywhere because it's very, very typical in New York City if you have a unit on the top floor with the roof. Typically, you have to walk up one flight to get to the roof. A lot of the elevators only went to that top floor, and then later on people added roof decks. So if you have to walk up to that top floor, I don't know why you didn't put this in. It is an absolute must. So this is a dumb waiter. But I feel like I have to show you how it works. In New York City, we need all the storage we can get. Storage, 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 storage. Thermidor, Sub-Zero, storage all around. Also, I think the renovation was very smart because they put electricity all over, which is absolutely great. So that makes this kitchen super functional. If you do want to put in the dining area, you have room for that. If you are one of the few in New York that like to cook, this is great for you. If you are like the many that cater out dinners, this is great for you and for that chef who will be catering your dinner. Either way, it's a win-win in this apartment. Second bathroom, full laundry, and it actually vents out. So let me tell you something, actual proper size laundry that vents out is not the easiest thing to find in New York City because most buildings were not built to have the capacity for things to go vent out, right? They don't have the holes, etc., can't create them. You're gonna mess up all the apartments if you try to get things to vent out, but this one, you're lucky, it does. Office, and again, super lucky that we have that extra side window. This was originally a third bedroom. However, right now it has been turned into like the game room den, and I actually have to tell you, I'm so excited because I haven't played Chinese checkers in forever. So when he pulled this out so that we could stage with it, I got so excited like a little 5-year-old. Actually, we did have a 5-year-old in here the other day playing with it, obviously. Her mom just kept telling me, don't let her eat the marbles. I have 8 nieces and nephews. I may not have kids, but I'm not gonna let anybody choke on the job, you know? Then we have the second bedroom. Again, it's so nice to have these side windows. It really does bring in some extra light. There's sky just a couple floors up next door. Here, it's New York City, so you get a typical New York City view for a loft. You have the fire escape, and then you have the tops of the buildings, so you get some of the really cute little water towers. Now onto the primary. Now we have the primary. Of course, we still have that view looking into the back, but it's very stereotypical loft New York City. I think it's so cute. And this room is big enough. You have your own little seating area, and I've got to tell you, you should come and see this apartment just so you can come sit in these. I mean, honestly, if it wasn't for the fact that I just sent Rose up to the roof, I'd probably just stay here and let you finish the tour all on your own. But quite frankly, I'm looking forward to the Rose. So, shall we? Another split system, right? So you can control the air in here. And then, who says no to a closet like this? I don't think anyone. This is beautifully done. There is enough space for shoes, folding, hanging, etc. You have it, it fits here. If it doesn't fit here, don't worry, because there's storage downstairs. Then, you have your primary 5-piece, which means Jack and Jill, shower, tub, toilet, bam. All of this can be yours for just $4 million. And before we go to the roof, I'm gonna need you to make a comment below. What do you like? What do you not like? Would you change any of the finishes? Do you know somebody that you should be sending this to? I want you to subscribe as well. Now we're gonna go to the roof. Do you subscribe? Yeah? Thank you. All right, let's go. All right, here is the door to the roof. Let's go. And now here we are on your own private rooftop up here, or mine, because I feel like I live here now. You will see that the owner completed this with a grill, fabulous grill. There's outdoor water, and there's an outdoor fridge, and he even has irrigation. And I'll tell you, what's nice about this is you do get light. We're about to get blasted with it, and then it goes away. So you could actually host events out here. You could signal to the helicopters that are going around. Most importantly, it works. Not a drop was spilled. I'm gonna keep this with us. Just seems more appropriate. But look at this, it's great. If you have a green thumb, I don't. I think you can plant things here. Or if you have somebody that helps you keep things clean, they can plant things here. I don't know. Wanna hear a pro tip? Yellow means they've been overwatered and they're dying. I thought I bought yellow because they were pretty. I bought the dying plants. So I won't be planting out here. I would need help. But this is fabulous for entertaining. There's little lights that come on at night. There's so much space here, right? Now let's go see the rest of it. So this room can literally be anything you could imagine. Like man cave, she shed. You can make it your office, your meditation room, your art studio, your workout studio, storage room, game room. I don't know how to play chess. Literally, this room can be anything you can imagine, as I said and showed you. But something to note is there is electricity up here. There is heat up here. You could add some AC, although it's actually pretty cool in here right now. And I'm in shorts, so that tells you something because I don't like the cold. All right, so now here in the back, it's great because you have, again, another spot for anybody who knows how to plant anything, very exciting. Call the gardener, and they will know how to plant what plants back here versus what plants in front. Because this actually gets a lot of light during the day, so, you know, they would know those things. But then this, you have this unbelievable view over here. And quite frankly, I think I'm gonna enjoy it. Bye guys. Takes so long.